Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use ChatGPT locally. So let's go to your browser and open ChatGPT account. Log into your ChatGPT account. After login to your ChatGPT account, you have to click on this three dot which is top right corner in Chrome browser. This three dot you can see at the cursor, right? Click on this and scroll down and you'll find here save and share. Just hover up your mouse on this, don't click, just hover up save and shares, and then you'll find here create shortcut. Click on create shortcut. Now you have to tick this one, open as window. Now click on create. Now you can cross this one and you can see that your ChatGPT has been installed in your computer. Now you can double click and you can open your ChatGPT, and then you can log in log out from here. If it's log out, you have to log in with ID and password. Okay, so this is how you can use ChatGPT locally. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.